to add more members to your license so that they can create and run their own Slidos. Head to the team menu and invite your new members. And once they accept your invitation, they'll be automatically added to your license. License members can be owners, admins, or members, each with unique access rights to make sure that your Slido setup works perfectly for you. Owners and admins have the power to create, view, and edit all members' Slidos, and they can also update member roles. Members, on the other hand, can only create and view their own Slidos. Add or remove members, as well as customizing their roles. You'll also have access to insightful analytics, like the number of Slidos each member has created, as well as the last time that they logged in. If you just need a hand with managing questions and polls, then we recommend inviting a co-host to a single Slido with the collaboration tab.